Hello, future doctors. Your embryo is back with the second week story. On 8th day, I was in blastocyst stage. I was partially embedded in the endometrial stroma. And here, my inner cell mass and outer cell mass are divided into these structures. On the next day, that is day 9, this is my cytotrophoblastic cells, and above to that, the syncytiotrophoblasts, where trophoblastic lacunae are formed. Inner cell mass contains epiblast and hypoblast. Here, hypoblast generates new cells, that is exocoelomic membrane. Let us see that trophoblastic lacunae, that is my mother's enlarged maternal blood vessels. This is exocoelomic membrane and exocoelomic cavity, that is called primitive yolk sac. As you know, epiblast, hypoblast, amniotic cavity. This is the place where next changes will occur. On day 11 and 12, as a blastocyst, I am completely embedded in the endometrial stroma of my mother's uterus. Now, the sinusoids formed in the syncytiotrophoblasts, my mother's blood will enter into that and uteroplacental circulation will start. Now here, inner cell mass, a new layer of cells will appear between the inner layer of the cytotrophoblast and outer layer of the primitive yolk sac, that is called extraembryonic mesoderm. Let us see with names now. This is maternal sinusoids. This is exocoelomic membrane. This is newly formed extraembryonic mesoderm, which is inner and outer splanchnic and somatic mesoderms, primitive yolk sac. These are extraembryonic cavities. Here where the changes will occur now. On day 13, my cytotrophoblastic cells will grow more and more into the syncytiotrophoblasts and forms the primary villi. Here in syncytiotrophoblasts, my mother's blood, that is from maternal sinusoids, blood will enter and give me the nutrition. Here at the region of inner cell mass, there is more and more division occurs and large portion of the exocoelomic cavity is pinched off and secondary yolk sac is formed. Okay, let us say with names. Primary villi, these are trophoblastic lacunae from where maternal blood will enter. This is secondary yolk sac. This is extraembryonic cavity, also called chorionic cavity. This is extraembryonic mesoderm, chorionic plate. This is connecting stalk which will grow into future umbilical cord. So guys, in my second week story, there are all twos. Those are trophoblasts are 2, cyto and syncytio. Embryoblasts are 2, epiblast and hypoblast. Extraembryonic mesoderm are 2, somatic and splanchnic, and 2 cavities, amniotic cavity and yolk sac. Okay, the third week will continue in the next video. Thank you.